It's probably taken me about 5 hours to actually film the leek and sweet corn soup. For the prep, setting up the camera, sorting it out, getting a different tripod, that didn't work, had to get another tripod, that was fine, got my auto cue sorted, and then in the meantime I've had 4 deliveries plus phone calls, and so it went on and on. So I think you should watch the soup making just to make it worth it for me. Bye! Hello, my name is Helen and a warm welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making delicious leek and sweet corn soup. Soup is packed full of flavour, easy to eat and very versatile, being served as a starter, a snack or a main meal. It's an easy recipe that I'm going to show you and it gives excellent results. The weights I'm going to use serve 4 people. I'll show you how to make it. We've got 450 grams of leeks, 1 onion, and both of these have been chopped quite small, 198 grams of sweet corn, and this can be tinned or frozen, 450 mils of vegetable stock, 25 grams of cornflour, 450 mils of fresh milk, 50 grams of grated cheddar cheese, and 25 grams of butter. Sometimes it's difficult to get all the sand out from all the layers of the greenery within the leek, so I've got a really good tip here so that you can get the sand out easily. Remove the outside layer. This usually has the most sand in it. Take the point of the knife and run it down the length of the greenery. This is now easy to run under the tap and it removes all of the sand. So we're going to melt the butter in a large saucepan, and when that's melted we're going to fry the onions and the leeks until they are soft. Adding the onions. I used a red onion here, but you can use a white onion. It's entirely up to you. And then the leeks are going in now. And give this a good stir. So the onions and the leek has all cooked down now, and we're going to add the sweet corn, the vegetable stock. So this has come to the boil now, and I'm going to turn the heat down and let it simmer with the lid on for 15 minutes, just leaving a little bit at the side there to let the steam out. So we're going to add the corn flour and the milk together, and I've got another little trick here to show you to make it easier. So I've put the corn flour into this bowl and I've added a little bit of milk, and I'm just stirring it to get the lumps out. And then I tip it back to the rest of the milk. So this is lovely and smooth now, and I'm going to add this to the soup mix. So now we're going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. So this has had 5 minutes simmering now, and I'm going to remove it from the heat. So I'm now going to stir in just half of the cheese. The cooking has all finished, and I've just put it into a little bowl, and I'm going to put some cheese on the top. That is really good. It's warming and hearty and full of flavour. It tastes delicious actually. I hope I have inspired you to try this recipe for yourself and come on back and see what I'm cooking next time. Bye.